Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 4 of the NBA playoffs, April 22, 2026. Edgecombe and Maxey have big scoring nights as the Philadelphia 76ers beat the Boston Celtics 111-97 to tie first round series. VJ Edgecombe had 30 points and 10 rebounds while playing through pain after taking a hard fall on his back early in the game. Tyrese Maxey scored 29 points and the Philadelphia 76ers beat the Boston Celtics to tie their playoff series at one game apiece. Edgecombe made 6 of the 76ers' 19 three-pointers. Maxey also had 9 assists as Philadelphia bounced back after getting blown out 123-91 in Game 1. Edgecombe is the first rookie to record at least 30 points and 10 rebounds in a playoff game since Tim Duncan on May 5, 1998. After struggling from the field in Game 1, the 76ers needed much more from Maxey and Edgecombe. They got it with a fair carrying the load for a team that shot 47.8% from the field, including 19 of 39 from three-point line. Jaylen Brown led the Celtics with 36 points, and Jason Tatum added 19 points, 14 rebounds, and 9 assists. No other Boston player scored in double figure. Boston was only 13 of 47 from the three-point line and shot 39.3% from the field overall, while committing 13 turnovers, leading to 16 points by the Philadelphia 76ers. The Portland Trail Blazers rallied past the San Antonio Spurs 106-103 to even series after Wembanyama exceeds with concussion. Scott Henderson scored 31 points and the Portland Trail Blazers took advantage after a scary injury to Spurs star Victor Wembanyama, rallying for a 106-103 victory over the San Antonio to even their Western Conference playoff series at one game apiece. Drew Holiday had 16 points and 9 assists, and Denny Abdiha added 14. The second-seeded Spurs looked like they could win without Wemby, building a 14-point lead early in the fourth quarter before their offense stagnated. Portland held San Antonio without a field goal for the final 3 minutes and 37 seconds as the Blazers closed the game on a 11-2 run. Stephon Cassell led the Spurs with 18 points, and the Aaron Fox added 17. Wembanyama was diagnosed with a concussion after he tumbled face first when he was fouled by Drew Holiday and his jaw slammed into the floor. He did not return after the injury in the second quarter and entered the NBA's concussion protocol, which raises the possibility that versatile 7.4 center could miss multiple games. LeBron James leads the short-handed Lakers past Durant's Rockets, again 101-94 for 2-0 series lead. LeBron James had 28 points, 8 rebounds, and 7 assists, and the short-handed Los Angeles Lakers outlasted the Houston Rockets for a 101-94 victory and a stunning 2-0 lead in their first-round playoff series. Marcus Smart had 25 points and 7 assists for the Lakers, who have twice overcome the absence of Luka Doncic and Austin Reeves with a team effort led by the 41-year-old James. Luke Kennard contributed 23 points for the Los Angeles, which nursed a small lead throughout the fourth quarter of Game 2. Los Angeles did it again in Game 2 despite the return of Kevin Durant, who scored just 3 of his 23 points in the second half against the Lakers' tenacious defense. Alperen Sengun had 20 points and 11 rebounds for the fifth-seeded Rockets, who again struggled offensively even with Durant, and the Rockets made only 40.4% of their shots and managed just 7 three-pointers. Let us have the NBA playoffs games scheduled on April 23, 2026. Dave Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons badly need to win in Game 2 against Paulo Banchero and the Orlando Magic before the series shift to Orlando and avoid a 0-2 hole. They will meet in Little Caesars Arena at 7 a.m. Philippine time or 7 p.m. Eastern time. Devin Booker and the Phoenix Suns will try to even their series against Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the Oklahoma City Thunder in Paycom Center at 9:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's proceed to the NBA Playoff Series standings as of April 22, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference. The Orlando Magic leads their series against Detroit Pistons 1-0. Boston Celtics and Philadelphia 76ers series is tied at 1-1. New York Knicks series and Atlanta Hawks series is tied at 1-1. The Cleveland Cavaliers leads their series against Toronto Raptors 2-0. Let's proceed to the Western Conference. Oklahoma City Thunder leads their series against Phoenix Suns 1-0. San Antonio Spurs tied their series against Portland Trail Blazers 1-1. The Denver Nuggets and the Minnesota Timberwolves series is tied at 1-1. Los Angeles Lakers leads their series against Houston Rockets 2-0.